Is in alveoli high PO2, low CO2, less H plus concentration and low temperature favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Asthma is inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. There is A antigen anti-B, B antigen anti-A, AB nil and nil anti-A anti-B. PQRST. Shortly after the Q there is a ventricular contraction, and at P there is an atrial excitation, that is depolarization of atria and depolarization of ventricle from QRS, and T represents the ventricles from excited to normal, that is ventricular repolarization or ventricular repolarization. And end of T wave represents the end of systole, not the end of diastole. The end of T wave. Now, this is ventricular repolarizations, and this end represents the end of systole. Does that make any sense? I don't know. QRS represents the heartbeat rate, and the majority are the cortical nephrons, and their loop of Henle is short. And very little into the medulla, and cortical, these are the cortical nephrons, that is 85%, and 50%, 15% only the juxtamedullary nephrons, they have the deep loop of Henle into the medulla. And okay, where is the collecting dust? So here is the point, that the DCTs of many nephrons open into a straight tube called collecting duct, many of which converge. They converge and open into the renal pelvis through medullary pyramids in the calyces. This is the calyces. This is the medullary pyramid, and there is a calyces who opens into it, and then the glomerulus along with the Bowman's capsule called the Marpesian body or renal corpuscle. Glomerulus along with Bowman's. So here it is the Bowman capsule, and it is the glomerulus. So it forms the renal corpuscle, that is Malpighian body. ADH is a vasopressin. ADH vasopressin from neurohypophysis.